What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all. Now this pair I got in hand today is a pair that I honestly didn't expect to do for this channel. Not because I didn't want to, but because I didn't plan on getting it for retail. And I told myself if I wasn't getting it for retail, then I'm just not gonna get the shoes. But I did get it for retail somehow on the website, but only downside is, there's a good thing and a bad thing about this video. Good thing is, I do get the Travis Scott's in hand for y'all for a review. Bad thing is not my size. But that's because I didn't order my size. I really didn't just want it for myself, but I helped somebody else out to get their size. So I was able to hit for retail. So I'm gonna get y'all a good full-blown review of the Travis Scott Reverse Olives. So the size tag does read Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP. The colorway is medium olive, black sail, muslin or muslin, however y'all want to say that. And it is a size 7. Once again, not my size. If I try to put these on, the whole shoe might explode. But that's besides the point. Let me get y'all a look at that size tag right there if y'all can see that. All right, boom. So, like I said, not my size, but pretty much all the same qualities and traits as all the other Travis Scotts that have came out recently. You know, you get the same, cream box with the olive, writing on it, or brown writing on it. The traditional, Travis Scott pink paper that come with pretty much every single Travis Scott that's dropped recently, except for the Black Phantoms. And then on the inside, you got this reverse olive Travis Scott. Now, honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the shoe is not bad. But me personally, I didn't see myself really getting these because I already have the regular olive joints. You know what I'm saying? The olive lows that came out last year. So it's like, I like these, but I didn't really want them for my personal collection because I already have like something that's somewhat similar. But overall, the shoe is still dope, man. Like the suede movement, I saw these earlier. The suede movement on this shoe is like top tier. If y'all can get a look at that. But like the suede is crazy on these. Like, I can't even lie to y'all. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. This is a smaller size, but it's still, a premium shoe. So it's not gonna be like no cheap materials or like no cheaply made shoe. Now, of course, every shoe has QC issues, but honestly, I don't see nothing too crazy on these as far as like quality control goes. Like no loose stitching nowhere. Nothing really out of the ordinary. It's like a few little glue issues. Y'all can see that. Probably it doesn't really pick up that well, but it's nothing that's just standing out there saying this shoe is a terrible shoe. Like the shoe looks good, colorway is good. It's olive. You can't go wrong with the color olive. Olive go with pretty much everything. You know what I'm saying? Like you got the olive on the outside, on the ends. Pretty much. So everything that was black on the regular olive Travis Scott's, they reversed it and made the swoosh itself black instead of this being black. They made this part olive and then the swoosh black. So they just kind of switched some stuff around. It's basically the same shoe, just different color blocking. So overall, you got the same olive outsole that the other pair had, the same cream midsole, as you can see right there, that this has all around, which I love that cream midsole. There's something about cream midsoles that it just do it for me. Got that nice olive, like that nylon tongue on here. So traditional Travis Scott Cactus Jack branding right there, Nike Air logo on that one. Then on this one, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. You got the Nike logo and then the Cactus Jack branding as well once again. So same difference, nothing really just too different about the shoe. Same placement, same logo placement. You got of course, the traditional Wings logo right here, boom, right on the back right there. And then on the other one, that little, traditional, that Travis Scott sicko mode face, little happy face. Sometimes it's sad, sometimes it's happy. On this pair, it's happy. So this is, if you got this is the face that you saw when you get that email. You was like, I got the shoe. That's how you was looking. You was a little happy and all that. But all that being said, once again, man, dope shoe. Come with, of course they come with laces. Travis Scott. One thing about Travis Scott shoes, he gonna give y'all some laces, man. Like it's gonna be plenty of laces. So you get the white laces that's already inside the shoe. The white wax laces. Where I love wax laces. And then it comes with pink wax laces as you see inside the box right here. And then black wax laces that's inside this box. Now the other one, the original olive came with, I think it was cream, olive, and red laces. This one, and then of course I think it had white laces as well. But this one didn't come with any red laces, but it did give you pink. So, and I do feel like pink would probably look a little bit better with this tone of olive, how the shoe is more leaning towards the olive side, and the other one had that black kind of look to it. So I feel like this with the pink laces probably would look a little bit better than putting red in this one. So it makes sense why they didn't go the red route with this pair, just because of how light the olive is on the shoe, and then how it's more of an olive tone this time than the other one had like more of like a black tone to it. So it kind of makes sense. But overall, the branding is still the same. This shoe does come with the little cardboard shoe inserts, not the little paper one. So for y'all legit checkers out there, if you got it from a third party or somebody or some other source, and you don't get this inside there, It might be, you know what I'm saying, look, I don't know. But once again, I don't know how every other retailer ships out their shoes, but I know from Travis Scott's website, they came with the cardboard insert in both shoes. So right shoe and left shoe both had the cardboard inserts. Both of them came with, you know, laces, of course. Insoles, still typical insoles is out in all the other Travis Scott's, the little Cactus Jack brand and all inside the insole. So overall, the shoe itself is not different than any other Travis Scott that's came out in recent past. Only difference is it's just the colorway. You know what I'm saying? It's just a different version of the shoe that came out last year. And that leads me to say that I feel like Travis Scott is getting lazy with like a lot of these designs. It's like the shoe is gonna be, don't get me wrong, the shoes be hard. Every time they drop, the shoe is hard, but it's like, it's always the same. You know what I'm saying? I mean, of course we had the canary yellows that came out, but who really just wanted the canary yellows for real? I feel like maybe we need some more Jordan 1 highs again for these, or maybe even another 6, or even a 4 again. Like the Travis Scott 4s was probably my favorite 4s that came out. You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite 4s, and my favorite Travis Scott that he made. So I feel like 4s should make a comeback, maybe retro that color again, or even give us a new colorway. But to keep giving us Jordan 1 lows over and over and over and over again, it's like, it's so oversaturated, man. Like, these hard, don't get me wrong, like I would rock these if I had them on my size, but I got the olives already, so I really don't need these. And then once again, it's like, it's the same shoe, nothing different. But if you did want these, if you didn't get them for retail isn't looking too crazy right now. It's less than $1,000, which is some other Travis Scotts would be retouching, you know, like, you know, the other, I think the original olives are over $1,000 right now, but these are sitting in some sizes for like 500, 600, something like that. So nothing too crazy with the price, nothing out of the ordinary just as of yet. But you know, when I say nothing too crazy, I mean, that is kind of crazy. It's been 400 plus on a pair of shoes. But if you like it and you got it, hey, why not? That's how I look at it. But like I said, resale isn't too crazy on these. They did instantly sell out, so you know, they wasn't sitting or nothing like that. So this, I mean, of course it's not gonna sit. Travis Scott shoes really would never sit, but these never sit, so they did instantly sell out. So resale might be climbing up in the near future, because the ones last year, when they dropped, resale wasn't too crazy on them, and then out of nowhere it kind of shot up a little bit. So make sure if y'all do want these, y'all cop fast. You know what I'm saying? Don't sit, don't think about it. Maybe I'll wait next month. If you got the bread and it won't hurt your pockets too bad or at all, man, if you want to, go ahead and cop them. It's a good looking shoe, colorway crazy, extremely wearable. You can wear it with anything you want to wear it with almost. Olive go with pretty much everything. Like olive is honestly the new black for real. Like no cap. Like I could see olive going with almost any other color you can think of for real. As long as it's, you know, it complements. But olive is a nice earth tone that goes with so much stuff. So these shoes right here, yeah, these will get a lot of wears out of people who really want them for real, who can style them. It's easy to style them. So like I said, if you really wanted these and you didn't get them and you got the bread to get them for resale, go ahead, man. Ain't gonna hurt too bad. These are dope looking shoe, nice material, nice quality. But I don't want to be rambling on and on about the resale market and all that, and Travis Scott's been oversaturated. But I do want to appreciate y'all for watching my videos, though, for tuning into my channel, getting my views up, my subscribers up, my likes up, everything's going up, man. So if you're new here, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Make sure you stay a while. Don't just watch a video and then go ahead and bounce, man. I got plenty of videos coming. Old videos for y'all to watch. I got over 100 some videos for y'all to watch. So if you ain't never seen all my videos, man, make sure y'all scroll down through, find some more videos to watch. Also, for y'all who do have shoes, who get shoes from like, you know, like a third party or somewhere you don't trust, I do have a couple real versus fake videos. I even have a real versus fake video for the original version of these. So it's not too much different than that pair. So if you do want to see like some of the details that the real pair has and the fake pair has, and you know, you kind of questionable about it, make sure y'all watch it. I'm gonna tag it at the end of the video as well, but make sure y'all watching them videos and tune in, man. Like I said, plenty more videos coming, plenty of stuff on the way. If you're new here, make sure you smash the subscribe button, stay, and make sure y'all share it as well, man. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend, make sure that friend tell another friend. With all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.